Good morning guys, ito na yung update na palaya ko guys. Day 4 guys. Yan. Malaki na siya guys. Papagapang na to guys. Yan guys, yung palaya guys. Subukan nyo rin to guys, effective guys. Paano ko nasabi guys? May ano na tayo guys, may ebidensya guys na effective talaga. Kaya wag na kayong patumpik-tumpik pa, magtanim na para may libre na kayong ulam. Let's go guys, tingnan natin yung nauna na batch guys, yung may bunga na guys. Malapit lang dito guys. Yan, yan guys, yan, mag-shoot siya dyan, taas nyan, taas nyan, taas nyan, yan, bunga guys. Meaning effective. Kaya ito namunga guys, kasi kapag alagaan mo talaga, mamunga talaga yan. Yan guys. Meron pa guys isa. Yan guys, bulaga guys. Oh, libre na guys. Itlog na lang yung bibilhin guys. Okay guys, may talong pala dito tayo guys. Talong at bagong sitaw, alugbate. Sari-sari na guys. Yan muna guys, bye bye.